started when a cop pulled over David Leon Riley for an expired registration tag. When the cop pulled Riley over, he found out that Riley's driver's license has also been suspended. The officer impounded Riley's car, and when they did a search on the car, they found 2 concealed and loaded firearms. The cop seized his phone, and the officer accessed info like texts and contacts and found the letter CK, which means Crip Killer, which is a slang term used for members of a blood gang. 2 hours after the arrest, a detective went through Riley's phone and found pictures of him in front of a car that was involved in an earlier shooting. In the end, Riley was charged with a connection to the earlier shooting and attempted murder.
The Supreme Court case of Riley v. California ended with the Supreme Court ruling that police now need a warrant to search a suspect's cell phone, iPad, or laptop. The Supreme Court unanimously ruled in Riley's favor by saying that a phone is protected by the Fourth Amendment, because it is someone's property with personal information, so police need a warrant to search the information on it.
While the case itself didn't leave any questions, as it was a unanimous decision, it left 3 major impacts on society. The first being the fact that the Constitution was undergoing an update to the digital age. This meant that once questionable cases, due to evidence found on unwarranted electronics, were now clear-cut, which made life easier for everyone but the police officers easier. This brings us to the second impact, the cops. Before this case, a cop could check through your phone and any other devices that you now had without a warrant. Now that it's considered unconstitutional, they had to change their way of getting evidence and nailing suspects in the court. That ties into our third and final impact, which is that people now have digital privacy that's protected and respected by the government. This makes the average person feel safer in their everyday lives because they know that whatever they put into their phones is way more secure than ever before. As phones become more and more of an omnipresent object in our lives, we're putting more and more personal information to them. Think about it. In text messages, we talk about our deepest secrets with those we trust. With emails, we discuss confidential information. And our contacts basically give away everyone that we are associated with. Because of this, we believe that our right to digital privacy should be guaranteed by the government due to the fact that we put so much of our personal information in them. The day that we give our government the right to search through our phones freely, we basically hand them our rights to search through our lives.